If you are running a car rental agency business, then this video is especially for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your car rental agency business. Now, manually providing car availability updates, making reservations and answering customer queries manually can take a lot of time. But we can automate this whole process in 3 simple steps. First of all, we set up our chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Then user sends a message on WhatsApp and our chatbot instantly responds with the right information. If you also want to build this powerful automation for your business, then I'll take you to my screen for step-by-step process. Welcome to my screen everyone. As you can see, this is the chatbot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow, and it will automate my car rental agency business by giving car availability updates, making reservations for my customers and answering their queries. Before I show you the step-by-step process of how to build this chatbot, I'll show you how this bot works in real time. For that, I will take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here, I've already connected this WhatsApp number to my Pabbly Chatflow account. Now I will send a simple hi and let's see what happens. As you can see, our chatbot quickly responds with this welcome message. Hi there, welcome to XYZ Rental. Fast, affordable and reliable. How can I assist you today? And I'm getting 3 quick reply buttons. As you can see, car availability, make a reservation and ask question. If I select this car availability button, it is asking me for my pickup location. Now it is asking me for pickup date and time. Now it is asking me for return date and time. Now it is asking me for my car type. I will select SUV. Now it is showing me for the confirmation message. I can confirm these details or I can edit these details once again by clicking this button. If I select confirm, it is showing me a thank you message. Thank you for sharing your details, and here as you can see, this is how our chatbot works. If you also want to create this chatbot, then you need to type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. This will take you to the Pabbly's landing page. If you are a new user, just click on free sign up to create a free account. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and tap on sign in to log in. Now as you can see here, all the apps provided by Pabbly are visible on this page. We need to go to Pabbly Chatflow and then tap on the Access Now button. As you can see here, we are arrived on the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. You'll notice several options available here. On the left side, there are multiple features listed and we will go through them one by one. So let's start with the first one, dashboard. It gives you a quick summary like total chats, active user and overall bot performance. Next is the inbox. All your messages land here. You can reply to user in real time. Then comes contacts. This shows the list of people who chatted with your bot. You can check their details or group them. After that, we have team queues, useful if you work in a team. You can assign chats to team members. Next is template. There are WhatsApp approved messages to reach users who haven't replied in 24 hours. Then we have broadcast. Use this to send messages in a bulk for promotions or updates. Now comes flows. This is where actually we build our chatbot and set up the conversation. Next is AI assistant. It helps you faster with smart suggestions. Then we have activity log. Here you can track everything done by you or your team. After that we have settings. Here you can control your account, chatbot preferences and more. And finally, get help. This section has frequently asked questions, tutorials and support if you need any help. On the dashboard, you will notice 4 options: credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining and WhatsApp number added. If you want to add your WhatsApp number, just click this button over here. You will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. You can choose WhatsApp Connect to integrate your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. You can choose Manual Token Connect to connect your WhatsApp number using Meta Access Token. If you would like a step-by-step guide, make sure to check out the detailed video over here. So now let's look at the process of creating WhatsApp chatbot. For that, you need to go to flow section. Here you will see flow builder page where you can view your total flows, active flows and inactive flows. You'll find your pre-existing flows listed here, the ones you have already created earlier. Now you will see a button called add flow. Just tap on it and a new flow will be created. Before start creating our chatbot, let's change the name first. As you can see, I've changed my flow name. Now on the left side, you will see few options like text plus button, media button, list. These are basically nodes. We are using these nodes to make our chatbot. This is our starting node where our chatbot gets triggered either by a keyword, regex or a template message. In the keyword field, you will enter the word that will trigger your chatbot to start. Regex stands for regular expression. It means whatever the user types that matches the pattern will automatically be captured. With choose template, you can select and use any pre-approved template. Now let's start creating our chatbot. So first, you just need to drag and drop this hollow point like this. Select text plus button. Here I will enter a welcome message. As you can see, I have entered a welcome message. We are using these asterisk symbols to make our font bold and more visually appealing to the user. Now I will add 3 buttons. One to check car availability, one to make our reservations, and one to customer queries. Now I will set up further responses for this first button. Now let's set up our first quick reply button, car availability. For this, I have to ask a question from the user and store the details provided by them. So I will go to actions and select this ask question node. Basically this node asks a question from the user and store in contact custom field. If you want to learn how to create this contact custom field, you can check out the description box. Now I will enter my question and particular contact custom field and select format as any. Now I will create few more question nodes to ask pickup date and time, return date and time, and don't forget to select preferred contact custom field and format. Now before creating next response, I will simply connect these nodes to their previous ones like this. Now after getting these information, I want to confirm these detail from the user. So I will create a confirmation message. For that, you just need to drag this hollow point like this and select text plus button. Now I will enter a confirmation message. In this message, you can see we are using dollar symbol and our contact custom field name. Basically, we are using this to show the data stored in that particular contact custom field. And we are using these asterisk symbols to make our font bold, which looks more visually appealing to the user. Now I will add 2 buttons, one to confirm and one to edit details. Now I will create a response for this confirm button. Simply drag and drop this hollow point like this, select text plus button and create a thank you message. I will add a button to go back to menu and I will connect this button our main menu and I will connect this edit details button to our first question, which is pickup location. Now user can confirm their details and they will get a thank you message, and if they want to edit their details, they will redirect to our first question like this. Now I will create responses for this second button, which is make a reservation. For that, I need this ask question node. So I'll drag and drop here like this. Create our question, which is full name, selecting contact custom field and format as any. Now I will create few more questions by using this copy button. After full name, I'm asking for their phone number, changing the custom field. Now I will do the same for this one, asking for driving license and change the contact custom field. Now for pickup location, for pickup date and time, return date and time, and preferred car type, SUV, sedan, hatchback. Now before proceeding further, I will connect these all nodes together. As you can see, I've connected all the nodes. Now after getting this information, I want to confirm these details. So I will create a message. So you just need to drag and drop this hollow point like this, select text plus button and enter a confirmation message. Now I will add 2 buttons, one to confirm and one to edit. Like previously, I will connect this edit button to our first question, so the user can edit their details. Now I will create thank you message for this confirm button like this. As you can see, I've created a thank you message. Now we are going to create response for this third quick reply button, which is ask a question. For that, I will simply drag and drop this ask question node. I will connect this node. Now I will enter a message. Now I will select contact custom field and format as any. I will create next response for this message, text plus button, and this is our final message. So that's how you can create this powerful chatbot. Now it's your turn to create this chatbot and try for your business. So that's how you can build this powerful automation for your business. Not only this, you can create multiple chatbot for different purposes. If you have any doubts, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For queries, write it on forums.pabbly.com. For pricing related details, check out this link given over here. Now go and create WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.